Welcome back. I'm on my way up to the house in Cloquet. I'm going to stop by at Zachary and Samantha's house. I have some possible new headlights for the Argo and a new rear light. I want to drop those off and just take a peek at what he's got going on there. So let's go take a look at the Argo. It's 27 degrees right now. The last couple of days prior to this, it got up to about 40. And then we had about an inch of rain. So down in Minneapolis, the snowpack has dropped about 18 inches in 2 days. Some places there's some street flooding. Here, when we're driving through this kind of farm country, you'll see the water that's out in the fields because everything has been melting pretty fast. Looks like somebody's having a bad day. Alright guys, we are here.
I thought about hooking it up. I don't know if you're charged for time or anything.
Yeah, that looks nice having that rack back on there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks a lot better now, doesn't it? Oh yeah, that light.
I didn't either.
Yeah, I don't think that we need to put...
It's a little sharp on the one side.
Okay. No, I don't think we need it. I think it'll be just fine.
Cover it up a little too much.
Yeah, we'll tighten them up and that part doesn't get beat on that much. Because I mean, it has to go through this to get to there anyway.
Yeah.
And when we do go through the trees, it always hits on this and beats them down too.
Yep.
All the time.
Starts right up, don't it?
Yeah. That's quieter with that muffler too. We've already got that welded up. And you don't hear all that. Yeah, it sounds good.
Got an aluminum piece.
Yeah, see that might work behind. I don't know. It still might kind of hit in the corner. I'm not sure. We're going to put new LED lights. We want to for the headlights, and these look really cool. They're a nice looking light, so we're just seeing what we have to do to make those work.
Just a little tight on the top.
Well, we have to do a little bit of modification, but I think that'll be pretty cool, and they're a lot brighter than the original lights. Oh yeah, that'll add a lot of light. We have that, and then have the other ones below it. It's gonna be that's gonna be awesome. Okay, so that original headlight is pretty straight over here. This one, the whole entire hole that they cut is crooked. So when we put the new light in, let's make that straight. You
Yeah.
know, I didn't realize that before.
Here's what the old light looks like.
Oh yeah, turn that one on and then turn the other one on once. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
It is. See, that'll be bright, but I'm worried that if we go down a ravine and back up, this always bangs against the ground.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe if we mount it underneath, inside, like even up in here,
Oh, okay.
it'll still light it up enough in back, and we'll get some light up in the basket, because you know how it is at night, you turn on the light and the light's on back there, you can't see anything in the basket. So you can just play with that and see what you want to do, but I think that'll be a nice light to have.
Yeah. That'll really brighten it up.
I bet it was. Yeah, when I seen that you were going to do that, it's like, wow, that had to have been fun. a lot for watching. I think that Argo project is coming along really nice. We are going to be looking into the transmission a little bit. It still wants to pop out of reverse. I looked it up, Zach's looked it up, and there's a few things it could be, so we're still going to play around with that, and otherwise, like I said, it's coming along real nice. I will see you guys on the next video.